Hi everyone, welcome back to Kids Go Creative. Today I'm going to show you how to use your paper clock and the digital version as well. Let's start with the paper version. Print the PDF file and cut out the hands, the hours, circles and the minute squares. The PDF file has 3 pages, one of which is the base. Pin the hands to the base of the clock, anything that you have at home so you can rotate them to set the time. Help your child to glue or stick the hour circles in place. You can see mine are moving a bit, that's because I haven't glued them yet. When your clock is ready, it's time to start practicing. Pick a time and place it in the boxes, for example 4:45. Then ask your child, can you show me this time on your clock? Now let's check out the digital version. Once you have signed up on our website, you get access to the freebies page. That's where you can download the paper clock and find the link to the digital clock. The digital clock is super easy to use. It shows a random time and your child needs to set the clock to match it. Then they can check the answer, see their score and click next time to try another one. It turns learning into a game and kids love it. And how to sign up? If you haven't signed up yet, head over to our website and click on freebies or sign up button. Enter your name and email address, confirm you're not a robot, and that's it. You will receive a confirmation email, so check your inbox and your spam folder just in case. Once you confirm, you'll get instant access to all our freebies.